Most people assume millionaires were born rich, living in luxury, and handed everything on a silver platter. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Many millionaires didn't start with privilege, connections, or big salaries. Some started with ordinary jobs. Some even started with debt. And the difference between millionaires and what quietly separates them from the average person isn't luck. It's not education. It's not even how much they earn. It's habits. Because the truth is, two people can earn the exact salary and end up in completely different places financially. In this video, I'll explain 7 money habits silently keeping you broke and how to break free of them so you can finally start building real wealth regardless of your income. Be sure to stick around until the end because the last habit is the most dangerous. The first money habit keeping you broke is spending first and saving what is left. Most people get paid and immediately begin spending on rent, food, transport, subscriptions, and lifestyle expenses. Whatever is left at the end of the month is supposed to be saved. For example, if you earn $2,500 per month, $800 may go to rent, $600 may go to food and transport, $400 may go to bills and subscriptions, and $500 may go to lifestyle spending. Now you're left with $200. But life happens, so even that disappears. The solution is to reverse the system. Instead of spending first and saving what is left, you save first and spend what remains. Even if you start by saving 10%, which is $250, you immediately build the habit of paying yourself first and force your budget to adjust around your savings. The second habit is relying on credit cards to stay afloat. I was once guilty of this one. Credit cards make people feel like they have extra money, but in reality, it is borrowed money that must be repaid with interest. Credit cards don't create financial freedom. They delay financial stress. When balances are not paid in full, interest builds and turns small purchases into much larger debts. For example, a $1,000 credit card balance with around 20% interest can end up costing between $1,300 and $1,400 over time if only minimum payments are made. The fix? Use credit cards if you can pay them off in full every month. Treat credit as a payment tool, not extra income. If you are already in debt, focus on paying off the highest interest balance first. The third habit is the silent wealth killer. It is small daily spending that feels harmless but adds up quickly over time. A few dollars here and there does not feel important in the moment, but over a full month, it becomes a major expense. For example, a $6 coffee every day for 20 days becomes $120 per month. A $12 lunch over the same period becomes $240 per month. Even small transport or convenience fees of around $5 per day can add another $100 per month. Altogether, these small habits can easily add up to around $460 every month, which becomes more than $5,000 per year. Millionaires follow a fundamental principle of spending less than they earn. This means eliminating small leaks that reduces your savings. The answer is not complete restriction, but awareness and control. Preparing meals at home a few days a week and limiting convenience spending can dramatically reduce unnecessary expenses. Next, you get a raise and suddenly, new phone, nicer apartment, more expensive food, upgraded lifestyle. And your bank balance? Still the same. This is the fourth habit. It's called lifestyle inflation. When people get a raise, instead of improving their financial position, they often increase their spending. For example, if income increases from $2,500 to $4,000, instead of saving the additional $1,000, it gets absorbed into higher rent, increased food costs, and lifestyle upgrades. The result is the same financial stress, just at a more expensive level. An excellent strategy is to follow a structured rule where most of any income increase goes into savings or investments, while only a small portion is used for lifestyle improvements. Adopt this rule. When income increases, 80% goes to investing, saving, 20% to lifestyle upgrades, not the other way around. The fifth habit is not knowing where your money goes. If you don't track your money, you don't control your money. Many people believe they roughly know their spending, but without tracking, it is only an estimate. Money disappears in small transactions that are easy to forget. A good method is to track every dollar for at least 30 days by categorizing spending into needs, wants, and savings. This creates awareness and immediately changes spending behavior because hidden patterns become visible. Once you start tracking consistently, something powerful happens. You begin to see patterns you were completely unaware of before. You may notice how often small purchases add up, how much goes toward convenience spending, or how certain habits quietly drain your income over time. This awareness alone starts to change your behavior. You naturally become more intentional because you can no longer ignore where your money is actually going. And once you see the leaks clearly, it becomes much easier to plug them and take control of your financial situation. The sixth habit is waiting to earn more before saving. Many people believe they will start saving once they earn a higher income, but income alone does not fix poor money habits. Someone earning $2,000 who saves 10% will consistently build wealth, while someone earning $5,000 who saves nothing will remain broke. For example, saving 10% of $2,000 equals $200 per month, which becomes $2,400 per year. Over time, consistency builds more wealth than income alone. Income is not the issue. Behavior is. Here's a better approach. Start saving at any level, even if the amount is small. The habit matters more than the amount. Start where you are. Even $20 per week builds the habit. Focus on consistency, not amount. The seventh habit is having no clear financial system or goal. When money has no direction, it disappears quickly. Most people have no savings target, no emergency fund plan, no investment system. So money flows in and flows right back out. The solution is to assign every dollar a purpose by separating income into categories such as bills, savings, and spending. This structure removes guesswork and reduces emotional spending because every dollar already has a job. If you take just one thing from this video, let it be this. You don't fix money problems by making more money first. You fix them by stopping the habits that quietly drain what you already have. Because the difference between being broke and building wealth is not dramatic, it's behavioral, and behavior can change starting today. If you found this video helpful at all, please subscribe and join the community. This channel is built to help you understand money, build better financial habits, and start making smarter financial decisions with your money. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, share your own money habits, or ask any questions you have. I'm here to help you on this journey. Your comment might help someone else who is going through the same situation, and it also helps me create more content that actually solves real problems for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.